In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can stop your Instagram account from getting hacked. And it's always a good thing to enable two-factor authentication just to be extra safe on Instagram. So once you've launched Instagram, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then you want to tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right. Then you want to tap on settings, and the location of settings will be slightly different on an iOS device, but find settings and tap on settings. And then you want to tap on security, and then under login security, the second option from the bottom is two-factor authentication. Tap on that. And if you're setting this up for the first time, you'll go through the setup process. I'm going to tap on get started, and you'll have two options: the authentication app, which is recommended, or text message. In this situation, I want to get a text message every time I try and log in from a different device or someone tries to log into my account. So I'm going to tap on text message. Now you'll have to enter the code that they just texted you, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, I entered in the code and it brought me to this page. It says two-factor authentication is on, and your account will be all set, so you can tap on done. Now it has some recovery codes in case you have lost your phone. You can go ahead and enter in any of these codes, and I have blurred them out for security reasons, but now two-factor authentication will be set up. So that is how you stop your Instagram account from getting hacked. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.